All right, in this tutorial, I want to show you guys how to put error bars onto bar graphs, which is something you'll need to do for a lot of the labs that we do in here, and including the osmosis one that you're currently working on. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up a clean Google Sheet and title it something where you can find it later. Then you are going to want to plug in your data. Now, when you plug in your data, I found it easiest just to go to column A and just in the line all the way down, just put in the actual numbers that are going to go on your y-axis. So let's say that I needed to graph, I needed 2 bars, I needed an 8 and 5. So these are the values for my 2 bars on my bar graph on the y-axis. Don't even worry about labels or anything because we can add all of those later. This is going to make it a lot easier to actually get your error bars on. So the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and go to highlight your data, go to insert, and then go to chart. And you will get a bar graph. Now, currently the 5 bar is hidden because it automatically started my y-axis at 5, which is something that I'll need to fix here in just a second. But before I do that, I need to get these 2 bars split up because right now it's treating these as being the same variable. And maybe the 8 is for my constant or my control, and then the 5 is for my actual experimental group. And I need to get these things split apart. So this is done where it says series. So right here under the data column of the chart editor, you go down just a little bit, and here it says series. And you can see it's treating both A1 and A2, so 8 and 5, as being a single thing. So what you'll do is go to edit, and then you're going to make one of the series just A1, and then go to add series, and the other one is going to be just A2. You can either click on that cell or you can just type A2. Hit OK. Now you can see that now I have 2 different colors here, so I have split up these series successfully. However, still I am hiding my red bar because the y-axis isn't extended far enough. So I'll show you how to fix that first in case that happens to you. Go over here to customize, go to your vertical axis, and here you can change your y-axis. So I'm going to do a minimum value of 0 and a maximum value of, let's do 10. Again, if your error bars ever come off of your grid space, you need to adjust your grid accordingly. So if my error bars were anything above 2, if my plus or minus 2 SDM is anything above 2, then my error bar is going to be plotted off of the grid space. So I need to adjust my y-axis accordingly. Okay, so now I have my series split up and I have a good y-axis here. So I'm going to show you now how to do the error bars. This is done under the series drop-down menu. So you'll click series and then error bars. And it's automatically going to put 10% error bars on your bars. But we don't want that. We need them to be a specific number that you calculated, and we need them to be different from each other based on the individual calculations. So what you do is up here where it says all series, because right now we're applying 10% error bars to all series, we need to split these up. So go to column 1. Okay, this is that blue column. And now we are going to change this from a percent-based error bar to a constant, meaning a particular value that we calculated. And you're going to put that value in here. So maybe we had error bars that were 2.3. So once you type that in, it'll automatically put that error bar on for you. And now you can see that I am off of the grid space. So I'm going to need to adjust my y-axis before I end up submitting this thing. Then you will go up here and you'll go to column 2. And you are going to change this from percent to constant once more and adjust your error bar. Maybe we had error bars of 0.8. So looking at these, we have our error bars. You can see that there is slight overlap. So technically you would fail to reject in this instance, depending on what it is that you're doing. But we have successfully placed error bars on our bar graph. Now, what you'll still need to do is go back through this customization tool and add back in the axis labels and the units and the chart title and all of that stuff. So we'll need to get everything else added back in. But this is the fastest way to get the error bars on your graphs.